focal point, or we call it a focus. Okay. Listen, there are two. One is first focal point, second focal point. It is first focal point, second focal point. Clear? What is first focal point? There are, suppose this is a convex lens. Okay, it is the point on the principal axis. It is the point on the principal axis. For your information, I did not mention the principal axis is an imaginary line. There is no such line. Okay, principal axis from which a ray starts. Always ray diagrams drawn from left to right. Okay, always ray diagram from left to right. According to the Cartesian sign, all the rays should go from left to right. Clear? So a ray drawn from a, okay, it is a point on the principal axis from where a ray starts, then becomes parallel after a refraction. Okay, it is the point. This is F1. We call it F1. It is the point on the principal axis from where if a ray starts or goes through this point, means it will become parallel after a refraction through the lens. It will parallel to the whom? Parallel to the principal axis after refraction. It is the point, you can write once again, I am repeating the definition. It is the point on the principal axis through which a ray passes, incident, through which a ray incidents on a lens becomes parallel to the principal axis after refraction. Clear? It is the first focal point for the convex lens is at the left of the what? Lens, left of the ray diagram. Suppose same thing I'll draw for a concave lens. Suppose, yes, I forgot to say one thing. Focals we are discussing now only. What will happen? Array, this is the principal axis. So how straight it is. This is the principal axis. Array, actually the rays are diverging here. Suppose the ray came here, incidents on it. After refraction, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Sir, where is the, sorry, little big diagram I'll take. Wait. Principal axis, ray incident, become parallel. What will happen? The ray will diverge, meet here. This is the first focal point. Actually, the ray is not meeting. Actually, the ray is not meeting. But if you draw, proceed the ray. Actually, the ray is coming this direction. Understood not? Here the ray is passing through the first focal point. Here it is coming on the line. That's why I said a ray coming through the first point. It is the point on the principal axis through which a ray comes or passes through it, becomes parallel after refraction. Clear? This is called as a here these focal points are for convex lens. It is a real. The convex lens, it is a real focus. Get my point? For concave lens, it is a virtual focus. Are you clear? For convex lens, the focus, this is the focus, singular is a, focus is plural, singular is foci, sorry, foci is plural, I think, foci. This is a real, really there is a real, it is, because light ray can pass through it. This is virtual. Got my point? Line rays in this line but not passing through that. That's it, it's virtual. Huh? It is virtual. Hmm. Okay, that's all. For convex it is real, concave it is virtual. This is we discussed about the first focal point. Let us come to the second focal point. Clear? Second focal point is it is the point on the principal axis where through which a ray passes or appears to pass, through which a ray coming parallel to the principal axis passes or appears to pass after a refraction. This is second focal point for convex lens. Are you getting my point? It is the point. It is the point on the see definition. It is the point on the principal axis. This is the point on the principal axis through which a ray coming to the principal axis, coming parallel to the principal axis, passes after a refraction. Clear? For convex lens, the same thing I'll show you. This is the principal axis. A ray coming parallel to it actually diverges here. It is not able to pass. So if you draw backward, it will meet here. This is second focal point for concave lens. So that's why the definition I said like this. It is the point on the principal axis, point on the principal axis, where a ray coming parallel to the principal axis meets here or passes through here, or it appears to be passed through here after a refraction. Clear? Are you clear? Okay. Today